Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Kirloskar Oil Engines. Our analyst maintains positive view on Kirloskar Oil with an upside potential of 18%. Kirloskar Oil is expected to witness significant growth in revenue given pickup in demand for higher realization CPCB for gensets, expansion of B2C distributor base, and improved growth prospect in export market. Company aspires to gain market share in fast-growing infrastructure sector, which will also aid company in maintaining its revenue growth momentum. Increased sales of high horsepower products, penetration in aftermarket and service business, and improvement in FMS business will lead to improved margins. Company has made investment in the US and appointed GOEM in both US and Middle Eastern markets. The company expects to ramp up its export business once the international manufacturing and the distribution has been properly set up. We expect a 31% CAGR in PAT over FY23 to FY26, along with healthy FY26 ROE of 24%. At current market price, the stock is reasonably valued at price of equity of 21 times its FY26 estimated earnings. Next we cover UltraTech Cement. Our analyst retains a buy rating on UltraTech with a revised price target of Rs 11,900, increasing the valuation multiple owing to a strong earnings growth outlook over FY24 to FY26. UltraTech adds 13.2 MTPA grey cement capacity post quarter 3, reaching 151.7 MTPA capacity. It remains on track to achieve 174 MTPA and 195 MTPA capacities by FY25 and FY27 respectively. The cement demand revived in quarter 4 post a weak quarter 3. The cement transported through rail rose 25% quarter on quarter and 3.5% year on year in quarter 4. Industry undertakes price hike in the range of Rs 20 to 80 per bag at the start of April. Although the same needs to be sustained, it underscores the industry's intention of improving pricing discipline going ahead.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.